So we're better than halfway through August, and the zinnias are in abundance, drawing pollinators. Our little sweet lunchbox peppers, they've really delivered, and man, they taste great. And then our potted mammoth jalapenos, they're getting pretty big. Some of them I've picked have a really nice girth on them where you can actually stuff them. So we're enjoying those a lot. All the berries that Lovey got from Baker Creek have really thrived. I need to get some more wires up and try and do a better job training them. But I don't know. Now the garden. Right now, the garden kind of looks like the ugly lights that come on at about 2 o'clock when the bar's closed and you see all the drunks hanging out. But we're still picking, getting lots of stuff out of the garden. Lots of peppers. The cucumbers have stopped, and the green beans have lots of blooms, but they're not coming on that much. Had great luck with the okra. But the grasshoppers, they're everywhere. They've been all over stuff. And I've gotten my share of Anaheims off of this. But look at these. All the secondary plantings that we did after Mother's Day. These are loaded. Some of them are starting to blush. But many are not. Got a lot of green ones. But that's the second helping. And then the second helping of green beans, which I have to get out here and give these guys a drink, keep them hydrated. But they're hopefully going to be a different strain that are more productive than these have been. But today I might get to pick some. I really enjoy the fresh green beans. I just don't like pulling the strings off. But this cucumber plant is history. It's time for me to dismantle this cage and see if I can pull this away and try and replant. But I still had hopes that we'd find a few more cucumbers on this large guy. And look, there's one more, Armenian. Those have been great. We'll plant those every year. These peppers I'll go through today, see if I can thin them out. Say hi to them all. They've slowed down, and I think I need to fertilize again. Get out here with some fertilizer, but really can't complain. This has been a winning season so far, and I'll continue.